Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious pan de raja salvadoreña. It's a delicious sweet bread from El Salvador that I know you guys are going to love and is perfect for this cold weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I first want to start by greasing my baking dish, making sure that everything is nice and covered. And now I'm going to continue with the wet ingredients. I have 4 room temperature eggs. This part is very important. You want to make sure that all your ingredients are at room temperature. I'm going to start mixing the eggs very well. And then I am ready to add 1 cup of vegetable oil. I'm going to add into 1.5 cups of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and I am going to incorporate really good. Now I'm adding 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. Mix it very well. You really want everything to incorporate. 3 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 pinch of salt. We're going to incorporate everything with the whisk. Of course, you could use a electric hand mixer, blender. I am adding 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. And I am going to mix away, making sure that there's no lumps of all-purpose flour and that everything is incorporated perfectly. This is going to take about 2 to 3 minutes because I'm doing it by hand. I'm not using an electric mixer. So here I'm just going to take my time mixing away, making sure that everything is incorporated. The aroma of the vanilla extract and cinnamon, oh my gosh, this smells amazing. I'm going to leave it here for just a little bit. I'm going to turn my oven on to 350 Fahrenheit. I want to get this nice and warm, nice and hot. 10 minutes before I add the mixture inside my oven. I'm going to mix one more time very well, and then I'm ready to transfer it to my mold. The baking dish has already been greased, so I know it's going to come out perfect. It's not going to stick. It's going to come out amazing. It's going to go in the oven for about 45 minutes, and I'm adding my sesame seeds. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. I'm going to add the very traditional decoration of granulated sugar. It's a little X right on the top of the bread. And just leave it as is and take it to the oven. Let me tell you, this bread really comes out really delicious and very fluffy. I am sure that you're going to enjoy it, especially in this cold weather. You're really going to enjoy it with the coffee, with the atole, with a champurrado, you name it. How do you know when the bread is ready? You poke it, and if it comes out wet, leave it 10 more minutes. Remember, I cooked it for 45 minutes. We're going to leave it, and then when it comes out, let me show you how it looks. It's really golden brown from the top. When you put the little stick in, it comes out completely clean. That's when you know that your bread is ready to go. It's done, and it's fluffy, and it's delicious. And now I am ready to transfer it to a plate, cut myself a little piece, and show you how fluffy and how delicious this comes out. It's really golden brown from the bottom and from the top. Look at this. Be careful, you don't want to break it or pull it apart. And now I am ready to reveal how this looks. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And please enjoy this very traditional and delicious sweet bread from El Salvador. Look at this. Very fluffy. It's still nice and warm. And the texture, oh my God, if I could make this bread, you could make it too, and you could enjoy it with your beautiful family. Look how amazing and delicious this bread came out. Nice and fluffy and really delicious. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy it with a delicious hot cocoa or even a coffee. Like, subscribe, and share. See you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious and amazing sweet bread from El Salvador. They call it pan de raja. It's very fluffy, very delicious, crispy from the top, but yet nice and fluffy from the center. Let's see how this came out. Look at this. Let me tell you, when you bake with love, everything comes out amazing. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. So fluffy and delicious. Make it. Enjoy it with your beautiful family. Excuse me. If you like and love this amazing sweet bread from El Salvador, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this delicious and fluffy pan de raja from El Salvador. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.